Hi there, my name's Coral Newton from Coral's Handmade on Etsy, and I'm going to show you today how to make a Dorset Posy from one of my little Dorset Posy kits. So let's start by having a look at what's in your pack. So within your pack you've got 2 lengths of thread, you've got about 2 meters of green, and 1 metre of multicoloured, which you'll use to form the flowers in the posy. There's a brass ring and a tapestry needle, which will be perfect for doing the ring and the background, but it's got a blunt end. I don't like to send sharp needles out in the post, but you'll probably want a sharp needle for making the French knots that form the flowers. So I figure most people have probably got a suitable sharp needle somewhere in the house. In addition to that, the packs contain a set of illustrated instructions taking you step by step through how to make a Dorset Posy. So this video tutorial is just a little added extra to that.